Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to have fun coloring 5 mangosteens in different rainbow colors. Let's start with the first mangosteen. We're going to color it red. Red will make the mangosteen look bold and vibrant. Make sure to color it smoothly. Next, we'll color the second mangosteen orange. Orange is a fun and bright color. Let's make this mangosteen stand out with a beautiful orange hue. Now we'll color the third mangosteen yellow. Yellow is bright and cheerful. Let's make this one shine like the sun with a lovely yellow color. For the fourth mangosteen, we'll use blue. Blue is cool and unique. Carefully fill in the shape with a bold blue color to make it look special. Finally, let's color the fifth mangosteen purple. Purple is a magical color, perfect for our last mangosteen. Let's make it bright and beautiful with a rich purple shade. Wow, look at our 5 colorful mangosteens. We used red, orange, yellow, blue, and purple to make them look bright and fun. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and creative coloring adventures. See you next time.